CONL Stock. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end. Find out. GraniteShares ETF, it's actually down. It's not down. It was for almost 15% off for today, but if you really look at it from a broader picture, I think that I've already made my prediction. Previous videos. I don't know why it's not showing, but whatever, I'll just start from here. You know, it doesn't really matter. We're tapping into some demand areas. I'm generally speaking still looking to take it up, but everything that's sitting between me taking it up and not taking it up is a double break. And honestly, man, that first break needs to happen above here, because if it doesn't, then I bet I'm not going to be bullish, you know. So yeah, and like when I say bullish, like with this ETF, I really mean it. Like I'm talking highs here at 87 bucks, so kind of a swing type of opportunity, but that's at least what I'm looking for. If you want to learn to do these types of analysis video, just click the first link in the description. It's a free course.